doesn't go to the dining room, all right? So the bedroom is closed off. It comes from the living room, we go into the bedroom. So I just have the one door, which is pretty typical for houses, right? The bedrooms are off on their own. They don't generally connect to two different rooms. Okay, if you have something that's on the floor, like I had a small kitchen table, I went ahead and drew that. Again, I used my straight edge when I did the example, but for sake of time, I'm not going to do that. I did chairs, very simple chairs. Did them all the way around, and then you could do a rug. I did a tile floor here, etc., etc. Okay, I think you get the gist of how to draw. So just realize that one of these pieces of paper is going to be going over the other side of the paper here. So you don't need to draw on, I usually would always just draw on the right side, just it was easier for me to remember to do it the same way. And so this is how it ends up looking. Okay, there's only one floor, right? You don't need to draw over here. So let me show you. You could use like a glue stick. If you want to glue, just put glue on this side of the paper and then line it up nicely and then press down. I'm just going to use tape. You can do that too. You can tape on the inside just like that. I pretty much tape. You could do if you want to double back it or have double-sided sticky tape, you can put it on the bottom here. I'm just going to go ahead and tape the edges. Okay. Just like that. Pretty easy. Okay, this is our first room. I like to kind of crease a little bit. Okay, so let's get started on putting it together. I went ahead and made 3 other rooms. I didn't put any designs for my rooms. So remember, you have this here, and you need to cut a slit. Okay. Just like that. You'll draw whatever room you want. Okay. You're going to go ahead and tape it just like I showed you. That song has been in my head since I woke up this morning. Extra special points for somebody who knows what song that is. Shoot me an email if you do, you guys. Okay, so now we need to line up. So this is something that I do to kind of, if I don't want to measure my door, where my doors are, I can, if I used Sharpie, you can see it through this paper. And then I just went like this. I did a dot for where the top corners are. And then when I was drawing, I just used my straight edge to connect and make that frame. Okay, so that's one way you could do that. Or you could just use measurements, and that works probably even better. Okay, so now we want to tape this. Now again, if you have glue, if you don't have tape, what you would do is you'd put glue on one side, then press it, hold it together. I'm using tape because I don't have a glue stick. So I'm just being resourceful and using what I do have. And that's what it's all about, right? Right now, you guys, with this online learning, you just gotta use what you got. Go with the flow, adapt, okay? So I'm taping, I'm trying to be as fast as possible so you aren't just staring at a screen with your art teacher taping something up. Again, I am taping all the way around. Okay, so now we have that. Let's put together another room. Same steps. Slit. Okay, you're going to tape. I'm gonna do a fast version of this. I'm only gonna tape right here. Again, so I'm not kind of boring you with this whole taping situation. I'm putting it together like this. Oops, I promise, like this. Okay, I will again just tape, I think, this side so it doesn't take so long. I hope that you guys treated your mom super, super nicely, or whoever is the mom in your life on Mother's Day. Lucas gave me, I'm creating another room, you guys. My last room, just going through the same steps, okay, just so you know what I'm doing. Lucas gave me a painting of what looks like Max. I'll show it to you in a second if you're interested. So with this last door, we want to leave one side, this last side, not taped or glued together, okay? So I'm only gonna glue this room to this side. That way, if you wanna fold it into that small little square, you can, super easily. If you wanna just leave it open, then go, you know, feel free to tape it together, all of the sides, or glue, however that works. Okay, so now we have the 4 rooms. So in order to fold it into that just small rectangle, if you just want to like store it somewhere and it's easier, what you're going to do is you're going to see these slits right here. Well, they're not slits, folds, excuse me. You are going to bring that corner up here and then fold like this. You're gonna do the same thing. Bring the corners, bring the inside in, and fold all the way around. And last step, and bam! Pretty cool, yeah? I'll do that again, one more time with the fold, because it does look a little difficult, right? So I'll just do it with this one that I already made. So we didn't adhese this side together, okay? So in order to fold, we're going to bring the corners, push this in, bring it like this, and you do it again for this one. I'm trying to bring it up closer so you can see, and then you push that in. See, we had those creases there for a reason, right? And just like that, and oops, come on, go in there, mister. Oh, I had it maybe like this. Oh, there we go. And like that. Okay, 7th and 8th graders, I want to see some, it would be fun, I think, if you tried to do your own house. That would be super cool. This doesn't really look like anything like my house, but yeah, and you could color it. You can get as cool and creative as possible with this. It's super fun. If you have like a younger sibling especially, you can make it for them, and oh my gosh, they would love, love, love it. All right, I will talk to you later, 7th day. Oh, wait, I said I was gonna show you what Lucas gave me for Mother's Day. Let me grab it. Super cute. I have to get it framed now, but here it is. It looks like our dog Max. Anyway, I was really surprised and felt great after you gave me this for Mother's Day. Okay, all right, miss you guys. Talk to you later, bye.